All right. I don't know if this is too loud or not. Testing. All right, that should be better. So a little dump here. All right, that should be better. Yep. All right. So yeah, that's my first live stream. Line profile scalping. Range is pretty small so far. We've only moved 42 points this session on the open. I don't know. Came down, filled that gap. Couldn't get a bounce back up to VH. See what it's doing. Gold had a hard dump off today. 80 points. I'd like to see a rejection off previous day. Down here low. And then we get a bounce back to view off, and the PS6 hits lined up. Pretty nice. Yeah. Stream's looking good. The one thing I'd get annoyed about on Trade C is it doesn't extend with the candle. It doesn't continuously update. You have to manually extend it, which is not a huge deal, but it'd be nice to not have to do that. Had to get the dog's food, so sorry if you hear her chomping in the back. I'm trying to use it a little bit more. Probably be a slower session today. Yesterday I had a bunch of small losses. Good winner yesterday morning, or 10 p.m. Did I trade last night? I don't know. But anyways, we're about halfway, a little under halfway to passing this eval. Yeah, recess up to here would be nice. This morning, it still doesn't show my execution marks, does it? That's annoying. Take trades from my phone in the morning. But let's see, what was it? Here's open. We are opening range. Kind of shopped here. I took a short. Originally I took a short here. Caught a few points. I thought I caught like 30-ish points. And then took another short. I think it was right here. Took this little bounce off that VWAP. And then I had like another $100 last night. This is smaller today. One time I lost some today. All these at 3. Didn't really matter. Yeah. Took that short. It doesn't intro. I don't really remember. It's kind of hectic this morning. But I'd like to start seeing this bounce back into these levels are stacking up pretty nicely. So I'd like to see that. And that could be, let's say 15 points. As long as POC doesn't change. Yeah, first live stream. Probably have some, hopefully no issues. Put this back over here. Stripped healthy. Probably get no viewers. Why turn that is human nature? Why? So it'll probably be a good amount of waiting for a bit. Sorry, I'm making sunflower seeds for dinner. Did not work out today. I had a weird day at work. It was pretty boring until the end of the day, and it turned into a shit show. But it's okay. We got a delicious Chipotle bowl for lunch. I'm not gonna have anything for dinner, but yeah, kind of just chilling, have some sunflower seeds. I might have some sugar-free Jello. Maybe bag of skinny pop. We'll see. Yeah, so I mean, if there is anybody that ever pops in, we have a good amount of records to choose from. So y'all can pick if you decide to pop in. So usually it's a little, I want to say more volatile the first 30 minutes, but sometimes it is. I looks like a 15-20 second delay. That's like 10 seconds. Let's see, we can. Is that latency? I don't know. Let's buy it. The Milo Light Doji candle. Like 5. Gold's been interesting lately. Big sell off yesterday. That's today. Big sell off today. More points. The past 2 days it's down 150. But I don't know, I mean, I'd love to see it start crawling back up. It's a great investment opportunity. I mean, I don't think gold's ever had another 1,000 point drop off, 2,000 points almost. I'd be like one of them. Biggest drops I've ever had. The biggest downtrends, at least, and it's never really pulled back that hard. But it's a great investment opportunity. I mean, it's gold. It's gonna go up. The same thing with SPY. Like it's, it'll go up. This is SPY. Like, I mean, SPY just yeah, it'll have its pullbacks, but historically it's gonna go up. It's up 5,000 points since 2020. Like, yeah, we had this pullback. I was on this bull run from that September to here. Hit that pullback. Hit this pullback, and that was rough. That's when I started losing a lot of money trying 0DT SPY options. But been on a pretty decent push up since April. Definitely getting back to where it wants to be. Here we go, getting that push up. Finally. It looks like it wants to fade off that low. I started using this to place options more for orders. It's not bad. It's kind of nice. The ladder, whatever you call that. But it's nice when you're expecting it to like. I mean, you can just go here and go boom, but that is too much work. Sup, shorty. It's Ocelot. Up on Valent Ben, waiting for a trade. But this trade might be a minute. Vibes are immaculate though. I bet. Let me know. Slowly moving. Let's see, yeah, we're about halfway to passing this eval. Probably pass it. Let's see, by Wednesday. And then on the funded, it can take trade Thursday. Let's see. I want to get a payout by end of this month. So let's do that. Let's just say if I pass it tomorrow. See, I don't know about consistency rule. I think my consistency rule might kind of screw me. But tomorrow, Wednesday, I can have it passed. So let's say I take my first trade Thursday. It gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trading days for max payout. So it'd be pretty nice. I think you need 1100 buffer. So let's see, 1100 buffer. So you need about 2K for. So I need like roughly $300 days. I'll probably set loss limit at 200, target 300, 350 each day. And then if I get a max payout, I think I'm gonna go for two payouts before I start scaling up. And then I think it's 5 payouts on the Flexus so they get moved to live. So I'll probably a little bit of volume here. We have like no volume this whole session. I'll probably move up to 50k accounts. $50k accounts, max payout. $2k, so you get like what, 1,800. So we got a nice push up to the point of control. I'd really like to see it come up here. You send an order at 75.50. And that was the lost song. Time to switch records. Alright, let's go. Thanks, Michael. Started the stream off right. W record. Alright, we got Sam Barber, we got the Killers, we got Prince. Let me have some of the random ones in here. These older ones is good. I don't remember which one now. I think this one was good. It's just we'll go with the Killers. They got a good record. Hot Fuss, great album. Floating around point of control now. Did not mean to move that one. Still around the same spot. I mean, could take a short off that. By Oshawott. Thank you for listening to music on stream. I don't care if I get demonetized. I don't get any views, so it doesn't matter. Could take a little short off this. Let's just say we got in view off the powers. That came out there. Realistically though, we could take longs off this. Okay, let's care about that. See if it'll tag us in here. Yep, so we're gonna stop at about 1 to 2. Wow, that's a dump right there. Also, can I progress? I'm gonna get back in here. Let's stop right there. We just wanted to go back and test that weekly that cat movie. I could very well be wrong on these other trades, so. Yep. So that's a dump. Straight through the weekly value. We are just dumping now. Interesting. Get a bounce off this weekly. The area. If we're flipping at a green closure above it. Looks like it just wants to dump, honestly. If we get a green closure above the value area, I might add in. Also, okay, yeah, that's an aggressive move down. You want to take out the daily moves. If it sweeps down the roads, could possibly be a bounce point. We could have taken a fade, but fades are pretty risky. I feel like when there's no other confluences. I personally don't like taking the fades off of or the breakaways, sorry, the breakouts. Fading is what I was trying to do earlier, taking that long or short off the value area. I still want to see the retest of the value area up there. Kind of looks like it wants to grab this liquidity down here. And if we start getting a bounce back up, once we sweep it, then I feel a little more confident going back into the phase session. Alright, so far 0 for 3. I should have sat after that first one, but all good. Like a body profile shift. You see the point of control, like right here, down by the star area low. Sorry about the buffering. don't know how to fix this. I don't know what it looks like on. It looks fine, I don't know. Oh, that's nice. Looks fine on my end, so let's get a sweep of this. Alright, I'm gonna go grab a snack. All this hopefully sweeps these lows and starts working back towards our area. So, yeah, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So swept those lows. Still going. Just flushing. Engulfing candle here is nice. Signifies some buyers in control, which maybe move back up. Didn't get the engulfing candle. This is the next low. Decisive candle. Probably move down more. Let's say if you're trading key levels, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, I mean, I'm if you can target these lows. We do TP1 here. TP1 there. Target those lows. Oh, that's side one. There goes side two. I don't know. It's just chopping down here, dude. Might be no trades for a bit for me. Alright, I'm gonna slow this one move back up. Now I meant to, but that's weird. Yeah, I might just start trading again at 7, but we'll see. Might be it for this stream. Stream number 1, not bad. Down 156. That number will change, but if not, we're fine taking a loss. As long as we keep it below those days, it's profitable. Let's just flush in. I mean, yeah, I might hop off the charts for tonight. I think Jay Dunn streams at 7, so I might tune into that and see what he's thinking. But yeah, goal hopefully maybe break even on tonight and then roll over tomorrow morning, get some profits. So yeah, thanks for tuning into the stream if you did. This video will probably be posted, so